Hey, what's up guys? I want to do a quick video on a coating job on metal roofing. You know, there's a lot of possibilities for saving on efficiency for the building and also saving costs instead of re-roofing. If you've got a decent metal panel, there's other options out there than just recovering it or removing it. And this is a coating option. We use a really high grade coating system, but really basically with the coatings, it all depends on how you do your prep work. Today we're going to do an inspection on this roof, go through every little detail. It's making sure every screw is covered, every little detail is taken care of. So when you do your top coat, it's perfect. But the whole roof has been pressure washed and cleaned, and it's also had a cleaner on it called Rust Off, take any rust and actually cleans the panel, gets it ready to do your coating. There's a lot of prep work. Once the prep work is done, then you can come in with the coating. So you can see this is all the joints of the metal, all the screws are covered, the primer is in there, and then we're running our base coat on the seams with a fabric. So there's actually a fabric that's embedded on the lap joints of the panel, and then you can see all the screws are also coated before we even start. One of the benefits of a coating job is if you use the right coating, it's going to make the building way more efficient, reflective. It's going to save on energy costs. It's going to save on cooling. And like I said, I only use the highest grade coating because I don't want the homeowner to have any issues. I'm back on this coating job, and as you can see behind me, it is completely finished, and it looks like what I like to say, like a snowbank. I can barely see up here. I forgot my sunglasses, so it makes it really hard to see because it is so reflective. And we're going to save this homeowner or building owner a bunch of money over the future, because it's going to save on cooling costs. It's going to save on all kinds of things in the building. It's going to make it much more efficient than what it was before for a long period of time. It does not dissipate very quickly. It takes about 18 years for this roof to start needing to be recoated again. So they've got an 18-year system on here. What makes it cool is that we are actually certified to install this coating. A lot of times when you get a coating job from another roofing contractor or just a handyman, whoever it may be, they just run down to the store, they buy a bucket of coating and they put it on your roof. The problem with that is that bucket says that is warranted for 50 years, but it's not. You have to actually be registered with that company. You have to go through the training, all the process of doing it. They have to come out and check the job as you're doing it. So you're not getting the warranty that you think you are. My job, it's certified. We're certified to install this. We applied for the warranty on this particular job, depending if that's what the homeowner or building owner wants, and we are certified to do what we're doing. You saw earlier that we, cleaned the building. We did all the steps process first, then we put our white coating on when we're done. So I want to show you guys where the panels intersect on this building, how we did it, and why we did it. You can see this is where the two panels intersect. So what we did, first thing we did is cleaned it, and then we installed a reinforced fabric on there that's made for expansion, contraction, stuff like that. Then it got a whole nother coating underneath, which is called our base coat. And then each screw was coated separately before anything else was done. I always tell people it's almost like painting a car. There's a whole process to do this, to do it the right way. Just like anything else in roofing, it's the details that matter, and it's the details that get missed. We cleaned the roof with a rust inhibitor cleaning first because it was a metal panel. Got everything clean. Then we came back, we sealed every single screw with a sealant that's made just for screws. We came to anywhere where the panel overlapped, intersected, and we put a reinforced fabric on them. So what we did is we have a reinforced fabric. It goes on that with a separate coating. It goes underneath here, which is called your base. And then when you're done, it becomes white. And you can see that screw is never going to leak. It's got a neoprene washer underneath. It's got a coating. It's got 3 coatings on top of that before it ever gets to this. So we got that solid, no worries about the roof leaking from screws, because where do metal roofs leak? From the screws, penetration, stuff like that. So all those have been sealed, and you can see just a beautiful roof. The key to this, not only is it going to save on energy cost, but it's also going to save the building owner a ton of money over the future, because they didn't have to replace this roof. This roof was leaking, it was ready for replacement, and it would have cost twice as much to replace it. Now they got a coating on it, and on year 18, we can come back, we can clean it, and only spray the top. We don't have to go through the whole process again because we did it right from the beginning. So roof coatings are effective if they're done right. Hire a professional, knows what they're doing, and let them explain the process so that you know you're gonna have a really good job when it's done.